Oh, righty guys, HEMI nightmare. Okay, I had to come over and bail the lube guy out. Guys, if y'all doing one of these oil pressure sensor unit on a HEMI, please factor in enough time. You do not know if you're gonna have to remove the alternator. Problem with this one is, depending on how this sensor ends when you're putting it on, when they put that on at factory, if this sensor ends like that, that connector is gonna be a pain in the butt to get off. Not only do you have to push it in and pull, you got to fight with the security red tab. If you can't push that red tab down, you screwed. Okay, yeah, there's a chance you might have to remove the freaking alternator. Yep, that's what we had to do. Now again, I don't know how much labor he got, but he had to come over and get me to do it, and there was no way. Y'all know me, I tried everything. I tried to go down there just to push on that little red, oh, that damn security tab. What a pain in the butt. And what's crazy about it, it was brittle and it just ended up breaking. Well, here's the deal, no fear, this green tab is still here. This is what holds on to the sensor anyway. If that was broke, yeah, I would put another connector on it. So don't get in the comments and say, oh, you're a hack. No, that part there is not technically needed. Okay, in other words, it's gonna ride on this new sensor just freaking fine. All right, it's gonna lock in place and everything. The whole thing is for it not to vibrate and work its way off. See that? You heard that click? Yeah, the sensor ain't going nowhere with that in place, even with the security tab off. All right, see, I can pull, it's not gonna vibrate off. You literally have to depress it, squeeze it in right there. Yeah, so there's nothing hackish about this. He just couldn't get it off. Now I'm still not done. Where's the damn thing at? I gotta get the old one off. All right, so let me do this. All right, here's my oil sending unit socket. Y'all see the sensor right there? Where's my new one? This is the HEMI job from hell. All right, this oil sending unit is a pain in the butt. Now I just made it easier because the alternator off, but I normally don't take the alternator off. And what's sad, you can tell he a new guy. He didn't get the oil temperature sensor. Y'all see that? Oil temperature sensor. That tells the computer the temperature of the oil. The computer needs to know the pressure. This is the oil pressure sending unit, as well as the temperature, in order to calculate a lot of things. Remember, this engine is equipped with variable valve timing. It uses MDS solenoids and things like that. So the correct weight of oil is crucial, guys. Speaking of correct weight of oil, you must, in order for your MDS and your to be working right, 0W40. It's a 392. All right, so let me get this on. I just want to put that out there. If you're gonna, please factor in the time it takes. You may have to remove the alternator. If you're lucky and this sensor turned like this, you can easily get that security tab off and just simply pull it off. But you're not going to always be lucky because you don't know how the guy at the factory felt. He could have put it on and said, watch this, y'all, watch this, and left it like this. There's no way you can get in there unless you do this. All right, I got to go.